It's a long and winding road that leads up to Bald Knob Hill in Wetumpka. It's November the 16th, 2023, and I thought I would go up on Bald Knob Hill and capture the fall foliage in all of its splendor. I'm at the Wetumpka Impact Crater Educational Viewpoint number 2. You need to check out the crater from the different vantage points around Wetumpka. I believe there are 5 or 6 of them. Anyway, this is Bald Knob Hill. This is some of the color. I don't believe it's as colorful as it has been in the past, or I'm a little early. There you see the antennas there that are on top of the bald knob. There you see where I changed the aperture on my camera setting so it would show up a little better. Anyway, I'm going to fly around these antennas and we're going to get a view looking up 231 North. It's a completely different look from this vantage point, looking down over onto Wetumpka. Off in the distance there in the upper right, you see the bypass bridge and the Coosa River, and then in the center, upper center, there is the sports complex. And looking directly north on 231 towards the courthouse, the new courthouse, and the Ivy Creek Hospital there in the upper right, and then the Russell Dewitt Center right there off 231. It's a beautiful day for November the 16th. It's about 70 degrees, a little breezy, but a beautiful day. Now we're going to look a little south. Looking back into the sun a little. And I'm going to look right down on Wetumpka. There off in the distance, you see the Presbyterian Church that was destroyed during the tornado a few years ago. Really, it's been about 5 or 6 years ago. It just doesn't seem like that long ago. There in the lower right-hand side is 231 that bypasses Wetumpka. probably about a week, 10 days too early for the real colorful colors. But this is better than nothing for now. So we're looking, there's the casino right in the middle along the river. Now we're looking directly south down 231 towards the Lowe's, Walmart, that area, the new Publix. I got a video up on the new Publix construction that I did a week or so ago. Need to check it out. Also, I've created a video of my drive up here to Bald Knob. It's a very interesting drive. I would imagine that most people have never been up here and would find it very interesting. This is video from the educational viewpoint number 2 of the Wetumpka Crater. See the turning traffic coming out of downtown Wetumpka there, just below the casino, the barbecue place right there, the CVS, Walgreens. You really can't see them very well, but they're there. Turn them back around towards the antennas. There they are. I'm headed in for a landing. You'll see how I decided to film the landing so you could kind of see what a tight spot it is to get in and out of there with the drone. Still has some beautiful colors. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching. You see, there it is, a little tight spot there up at Bald Knob Hill.